Hi, I'm Candy and welcome to another episode of me showing you how to look put together with a simple scarf style using different scarf textures, and I've posted other videos already. Anyway, in today's video we are using a very soft pashmina, and this is after we've padded our hair at the back and gelled the hair in the front, because a bad hair day is not going to stop us from looking good and presentable. So I have made a knot at the base of the scarf, and I'm just going to roll the sleeves of the scarf, and then I'm going to wrap it around my fake bun, and I'm going to do the same thing with the other arm of the scarf. And that's it, easy peasy, right? You can tie this in less than 1 minute if you mean them. Remember to let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed watching this video and if you'll be trying out this scarf style. Thank you so much for watching, and I would really appreciate it if you checked out any of my previous videos. Maybe you can learn something, or you can just watch to support me. But thank you so much for supporting me so far, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.